Your refrigerator may look a little different, but don't worry, feel free to give these tips a try. Same great filter, new look. To help further fight counterfeits, we've updated our packaging. Look for our berry-colored design with our new Genuine Filters seal on the package to know for certain your filter is authentic and sold by Frigidaire. Your Frigidaire Genuine Water Filter can be a powerful tool that guarantees you have the safest, freshest water possible. The best way to ensure you have the most purified water is to change your water filter every 6 months. To install your water filter, first, let's locate the install location. The majority of refrigerator filters are located in the back upper right corner of your refrigerator. Make sure to review your use and care guide before installation. You can reference our filter finder and a full list of refrigerator fits models on Frigidaire.com. Frigidaire PureSource Ultra is a push-push filter. Look for the installation icon on the packaging. Before you install your new water filter, let's remove the old one. Push to release the current filter, remove, and discard. Let's open up that package. As you remove the filter, don't forget to remove the protective caps. To install your new water filter, slide the new filter into the housing and push until it locks in place. Run water through the dispenser for approximately 3 minutes or 1.5 gallons to prime the filter before use. Discard the water. Don't forget to reset the filter status on your display by following the instructions in your use and care guide. Remember, continue to replace your water filter every 6 months or 200 gallons, whichever comes first. This is also a great time to replace your air filter. Just like your water filter, Frigidaire Genuine Air Filters should be replaced every 6 months. Changing them both at the same time means pure, great-tasting water and fresh, odor-free refrigerator air. There are a few different versions of Frigidaire Genuine Air Filters based on your refrigerator model, but installation is always easy. That's it! Now your Frigidaire air filter will provide freshness for 6 months, capturing odors and keeping undesirable smells away. For more information on Frigidaire Genuine Filters, visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.